Hi everyone, I'm Maria and I am currently in London as a part of the CIS Abroad London Internship Program. Right now I'm going to take you on a tour of my housing and we're going to start off in the courtyard.
So here we are in the courtyard area, and the house we live in is like a duplex, semi-detached style. You can see right here that all of the houses are connected, and this one right in the middle is mine, which I will take you on a tour of in just a second. But before I do, I'll quickly mention that I live with 7 other people, one being my roommate who's also interning in London through CIS, and 6 other people who are in different study abroad programs. And I know that 8 people in one house kind of sounds like a lot, but it's pretty spacious inside and we all have different schedules, so it really works out. I'm now just going to show you a little bit of the Kilburn High Road, and this is the main street right around the corner from my flat. So here you're going to find everything from gyms to coffee shops to restaurants. There's also a variety of grocery stores and pharmacies right along the road as well. And then there's plenty of bus stops, and we have the overground station on this road, and then the underground is literally just a 2-minute walk away. And now we will head inside so that we can start the tour. So we're now entering into the first floor / entry level area of the house. Over here we have a few lockers where you can lock anything valuable like your passport or visa information. And then through here is a single room where my housemate Christina lives. I'm not going to go in there, but her room is a good size for a single and it has a private bathroom, which is really nice. And now I'll take you upstairs into the living and dining areas. So this is the living area where we have 2 nice big windows, 2 couches, a TV, and a little fireplace. And then over here we have the dining area. And because there are 8 of us, we do have an extra refrigerator in here in addition to the one in the kitchen. And now we have our kitchen. And there's everything you need in here. We have a sink, a stove, there's a microwave, plenty of cabinets, another refrigerator, an oven, you have a dishwasher, and then we also have our washer and dryer in here as well. And here's just another view of the living / dining area before I take you upstairs. So we're now working our way upstairs, but on our way I just wanted to point out that we are passing the bedroom of 3 of my other housemates, where they have their own private bathroom. Okay, so we are now finally on the top floor. Over here we have a little desk area. We have the bathroom, my 2 other housemates' room, and my bedroom right over here. Here's the bathroom. It's a pretty good size and it has everything that you need in a bathroom, so it's pretty nice. And finally, here's my bedroom. Right over here we have my dresser and my bed, and then Ariel's bed is right over here, and we have our closet. And then here is just a little window that's overlooking the complex in the area we live in.
I hope that you enjoyed my housing tour. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a great time in London.